Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Using a 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 3 minutes. You need to remove this little door on the bottom of the steering wheel. There's a flat-bladed screwdriver. Pop it open. Pull it out. The yellow connector in here. Pull that out of there. The black lock on it. It's this here. Just slide it up to unlock it. At the same time, you pull it apart. So now the airbag is disconnected. Now we need to unbolt it. There's a T30 Torx inside this hole. It's a bolt. There's one on each side. Should have new ones on hand before you remove these. Okay, I have to feel for it. There. We do the same for the other side. Just kind of find it. There's the bolts. And then I can do this. All right, so with that removed, those bolts removed, this airbag should come out. You have to unplug the horn connection, just down here. I should have done that before I pulled it all the way out. Could do that from below.
Oh,
yeah,
good.
It says, it's kind of hard to see, it says push right here. Push in on that lock, and that should pull right out. So the yellow is your airbag power. This is your horn. And that's your airbag. To reinstall the airbag, I'm going to plug in, I'm going to lay it here. A little tricky to do with only two hands. So this is the horn. Plug this in. Click into place. And this one here, the yellow one, actually powers the airbag. Of course, make sure the battery is still disconnected. You should have disconnected it before getting this far. Plug it back in. It'll lock into place. So plugged in. These need to be clipped underneath. I'm going to pull the wires down, put them down there, and then slide this up into place. It'll sit there. Take your Torx bolts. Without the ratchet attached, I'm just going to use the extension in the socket. Go right in the opening here. Do this for both sides. We'll do the same for this side. You might have to push in on the airbag a little bit to get it to line up. Get that threaded in. Tighten it up. I've turned the steering wheel so you can see what we're doing better. You don't have to do this part, it's just so you can see it. So this yellow connector It's going to push up into place here. It's going to lock. And then the little white connector will sit right here. We'll take the cover. It has two tabs that line up with two openings here. And these two locking tabs. Slide that into place. And push it right in. The airbag is reinstalled. Now I reconnect the negative. And this one happens to use a 10mm. Tighten that up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.